The shapefile format is a popular geospatial vector data format for geographic information system software. It is developed and regulated by ESRI. It can spatially describe vector features, pointing lines and polygons, and representing, for example, water, river, lakes, wells. MyDraw provides support for importing of geographical map data from the ESRI shapefile format. Open the database first to see what geographical data is stored in the file. This will make it easier to select which data you want to see on the map. To import a map in MyDraw, click File. Select Import, click Map. This dialog lets you configure how the data from the database file should be used when importing the map in MyDraw. In the Map Projection drop-down you can choose a projection of the globe onto a flat map using a grid of lines of latitude and longitude. The Name and Text group allows you to select the columns that will provide the names and the texts of the imported shapes, as well as what is the zoom range at which the shapes and their text should be visible. The Fill group box lets you select a column, whose values should be used for filling. The filling is defined by the selected numbers of colors, begin and end color. MyDraw will automatically create shades starting from the selected begin color and ending at the end color. This lets you easily color a map by a data column defined in the data file. For example, you can color the countries on the world map based on their population. The countries with a less population, light green, those with a large population, green, and the countries with most population, dark green. Every single shape from the shapefile can be treated like MyDraw's shape. This means you can edit coloring, text filling, and you can even add them to your custom shape library to use them later.